If you don't tell me you're sorry, the next flight takes me straight to Costa Rica.
Take a look inside your heart, is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, where's me out of fear? If the sun refused to shine, baby, would I still be your lover? Would you want me there if the moon went out tonight?
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find who I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, yes. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Say not me the mess of my mind, and not me the make you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be lie. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you goodbye, yeah, you could leave. I'm struggling your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Get me what needs to me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. Back till the morning, my one put down from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all. Make I give you all you need, baby. Yeah. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. Yeah.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I'm waiting for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns.
Hey lovelies, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another travel vlog, and in this one we are in Costa Rica. So it is a birthday trip for one of my best girls, Cordera. You're gonna meet her in a second, and meet the other girl as well. So we landed around 1. Yeah, around 1, then we got on a shuttle and we got to the hotel. It was about 45 minutes to an hour, I actually don't remember, but it was a bit of a journey. It's an all-inclusive resort. It's actually so hot outside, by the way, but it's an all-inclusive resort, so that's perfect. And then we checked in, got to the room, and yeah, so far so good. So I'm going to go and unpack my things. Never done it before, so that's gonna be exciting. I've always wanted to, but I've just always been lazy, so I'm gonna unpack all my things and show you guys. And we're gonna go and get some food as well and something to drink. They said it's an all-white party tonight, so I do have an all-white set. Actually, I just have white trousers, but I'm gonna see how it works. I'm gonna find out what kind of party it is as well, because if it's like a pool party, then perfect, because I have like a whitish bikini that can go with it. But I'm gonna go get some food, unpack in one of those orders, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And whew, I'm actually loving the weather, I can't even lie. It actually feels great, because Houston has been a little cold recently. But yeah, let's get into this one. Hope you guys like. Leave a comment and subscribe, and let's go. It's the one that I can take a picture with by myself. Oh, I'll just put it here. Let's see. It doesn't taste nice anyways. You know the worst part, because you're taking that shot by yourself, you're gonna have to retake it.
No, I didn't. You know?
Yeah.
Y'all should have been ready.
No, and you should have. Why did you go fast up yourself and take the shot? Now you're gonna take another one. Okay, lovelies. So I'm going to unpack. I never do this. I've never done this, but I kind of want to try it for once. You know. Yeah, first time for everything. So because of the way the closet is set up, I'm gonna put my clothes up and then put my shoes at the bottom, and then put my bags and jewelry on the desk. But you see it when I'm done. But let's begin. I hate see-through, like mesh or like see-through clothing, because how the hell do I wear it? Do I just have my bum bum on? Do I have my bum bum on show, or do I know people wear like those shapewears and stuff, like kind of thing inside. But how the hell do I wear this? It looks weird with like black underneath, but I still packed it.
Maybe nude.
Nude looks
Like
weird. Because remember, it's also backless. So that's another issue with a shapewear, unless you get like one of those.
Wait,
that are
you know
really,
they actually make like pretty versatile shapewear.
like that's just long, yeah, at the bottom, yeah.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. You, baby, at last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave.
Because you wanted this.
It's not bad. It tastes like a green popsicle.
I don't want to make apples. Maybe the line is. Yeah, just eat. You gonna do it on your face? Oh, I'm weak. He said, you want the leg? Why do you got a leg tag? I can put your face as well. Okay.
You and me both.
Go.
No, I need to look at myself.
So we can see your all white fit.
I don't want to be there.
Show us your all white fit. Okay, this is yours.
Not my all white fit.
Let's go.
Don't look at mine. I look like I crawled out of bed. You don't look worse.
Well, technically, you all did.
Dos nights. Yo soy Zeliye. Esto es singing Southside. Vamos a movernos suavecito. Lado a lado. Suavecito.
Is it good? Oh, hurry up. Hey lovelies, so a quick recap of yesterday. Still haven't done Meet the Girls because yesterday was a little crazy. We did so much. So we literally left and we went and got some food and did some exploring basically. And then because it's all inclusive, you know, the drinks started flowing, and then we made it to the main pool, got more drinks, and then eventually we ended up at this bar, and Cordero, who is the birthday girl, she's been wanting to try an apple martini. She's been saying it for so long, so we tried that and it wasn't great, but they had a lemon drop and that lemon drop was so nice. Got a few shots, and then this waitress literally brings us a few more shots and I was like, it's from the guys at the bar. Yeah, so there was more. And then basically they were doing an all-white party like I told you guys. So they were doing these face paints, which I got one like around the side of my face. She did get some of my lace, you know, maybe because she thought it was my hair and that. But anyway, she got some of my lace. So when I was trying to wash it off at night, it's a little bit difficult, but anyways, it was cute. And then we came back to the room and then we got changed into, you know, what we could do, because basically we didn't know there was an all-white party. But luckily I had white pants and this white top, so I just paired them together. And then we left around 9, I won't say 9:30, because we came in, we like laid down and we relaxed for a sec, and then at some point we're like, yeah, it ends soon, so like let's literally go. So we literally got up, put our outfit on, and then we left. And then we got there, yeah, maybe 9:50, I don't know, I don't remember, but we were there a good enough time because it was ending at 10:45, and it was nice. When me and Cordero went to Cabo, it was the same franchise hotel, so like they do those parties basically. So the one we went to in Cabo was a neon pool party, which was fun. So this one I expected basically the same, and it wasn't a pool party, but still it was fun. They had a lot going on, the little balls, not little balls, the big ones. We got some more drinks and stuff, and then we went to a sports bar right next to it, and then just chilled a little while, and then we came back and I think we went to bed at 12. So today we've had breakfast and we're gonna go chill by the pool. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit because I think it's cute. I really like, there's something about like pink and blue. Maybe because my mom's obsessed with those colors, or she says fuchsia and turquoise. But yeah, the AC's come back on, so that's that noise. But let me show you guys my outfit and let me head out. They do not know you. Okay, this is
You
and this is
Raven.
and welcome to our trip. We are in
Costa Rica.
Why did I take you so long?
Pura vida, baby.
Okay, that's we're done.
Arriba.
We have coconuts. There you go. There's still too many people in there.
Ya tiene que ser en el bar, amiga. Aquí son los cocos.
What did they put in it?
Usted me regalaría un coco.
Easy boy, easy wine, easy wine.
don't taste like nothing.
I don't know. I'm not sure what I thought it would taste like, but it's not doing it. But like I said, he put the rum right at the top.
They
So I
could
feel
have
like
put like a pina colada in it.
well, I tried it. Ready?
And also you're having a good time in Costa Rica.
We're gonna play some bingo. Hold on.
B6.
B6?
B6.
What's B6?
B6.
B6?
We don't have these things.
I don't have 6 at all.
What do we win?
I don't know, it doesn't matter. Pride.
B14, B14.
You don't got that either.
B14, B14.
I feel like they gave me something else. I don't think this is what everyone else is
Siguiente
saying.
número, next number. O74. O74.
There you go.
Where is it? Oh! Bingo! I'm joking. Let's do this. Should put your cup in the middle.
Vamos a ver, ¿cómo se sienten esta tarde? How you feeling in this beautiful afternoon? You feeling good? ¿Están bien? How you feeling? You feeling good? Oh, 68.
Hello lovelies, so it's a new morning and it's 7:30. So we are up early because we're doing some excursions, some activities today. So I think what we agreed on, and I say I think because we've been trying to plan it since yesterday and changing our minds and stuff. So it's meant to be ATV, ziplining and horseback riding. I think that's what it is. I'm saying I think. Literally those are the 3 that we I think agreed on. So we're gonna head over to the beach and that's where they're gonna pick us up. So I'm literally wearing a gym set because when I went to DR I got so dirty because as well my boy was driving and I feel like every time I screamed a little because he would go dive in like into the pods and stuff. So literally I just wore like a gym set, something simple, and my headband. I'm gonna wear some trainers and that's it. They said there's supposed to be a waterfall at some point, but I packed my bikini just in case. But yeah, that's pretty much what we have for today. So gonna head off. I think we get back at 12 and then they come back and get us at like 3 and then we go and do the horseback riding. I think that's the plan. So I will change for that later on. And yeah, so yesterday we basically did a pool beach day and then in the pool they were playing the bingo, so you saw how excited I was. I didn't win, but I was very excited for that. But yeah, pretty much we did that, got some food, and then we came back, changed, and then went to dinner. We went to the Italian restaurant actually, and that Italian restaurant, you had to like basically sign up your room number and then get a buzzer, and then when it's your time they call you to come to come. And basically it took so long, I was getting so tired. And then when we finally got in, I got lasagna, but I didn't really like it. So that was disappointing because of how long it took to actually get into the restaurant. And then we went to that karaoke show. First we went to the bar, got a couple drinks, and then we went to the karaoke show. And then we called it a night because today obviously we had to be up early. So yeah, about to head off. We have to go to the beach, which is far away. And then from the beach, they pick us up and then we do everything. But yeah, let's head off. Tomorrow is her birthday, so excited for that. But let's get through today first. The sun is shining and my skin is glowing. Let me show you guys my quick outfit. Let's go. You first.
This black button, that's the start button. You have to press for 2 or 3 seconds and the TV is gonna start, okay? Okay. Then right here, this little pedal, that's the gas, okay? So
it looks nice. Just about. I feel like it's so...
right, that's the double one.
Now hearing that she got kicked off of one.
It's giving you side eye.
Just brake at the last moment. Okay. Upside down is turn around backward. Here. Head down completely. Cruce los pies, papi. Aquí, prensa acá. Crucelos. It's all the times, all the way. And never brake. At the end, Anderson, I'm brake for you, okay?
No. You want to some fun? Leave it.
So now she has to pull herself backwards.
You wanted some fun?
I like. Should I get this? But it would be so long. Actually, no. I'll get this. It's different.
Cute, the license plate.
Yeah,
It's cute.
it's something different I don't have. So.
When it been a few hours, when it feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fine like Jackie Brown. I wanna know, but she too damn
in the mirror, I doubt myself. Don't need myself for my wealth.
But it's been a few hours, but it's felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like.
Morning, lovelies. So it's a new day and it's Monday the 16th. It's like 8:45 or so. So today we have the jet skis and it's at 10, so we're just literally just getting ready, and then probably go get some food and then head down to the beach, which is where we're doing the jet ski. Yesterday was quite a lot, to be honest, because we literally left to do the activities and stuff, and then it was the ATVs, and now I've done an ATV before in a few different places, but yesterday's one dragged so long because we had a choice with doing it in the countryside or doing it at the beach. So we chose the countryside because it was meant to be a waterfall, but the drive to that waterfall was so long. Like, it was so long, plus we were going so slow, so it made it even longer. And then when we finally got to the waterfall, took some pictures, didn't get into the water just because I didn't have a towel, plus I just didn't want to get in, so we just literally sat by, took some pictures and some videos, and then we headed off. And then once again it was so slow to get back, so that's why I think dragged. I think it took us like 2 hours plus to like do that whole journey there back. And then we went to do the zip lines, and I think that's what was like sealed the deal for the day, because when we got there was 10. And now I've done zip lining where it's just, you know, you keep going, there's a few. I don't know if I've done 10 before, but this one just dragged because usually what happens is once you start, you just keep going until you get to a point. Maybe you have to like climb a little higher, and then that's the only point where there's like a real proper stop. But like with this one, it was like you go and then you have to wait for everyone to be done, then you all meet, the next one, then you all meet, and it was just dragging for so long, and we had to do it for 10. I don't know if because they just didn't have enough people, I feel like, because obviously the more instructors you have, the quicker you can go. But anyways, after that 10 obstacles, there was even one that was trying to get us to go backwards, well, upside down, and Raven was going to go upside down, but none of the instructors were going to do it. So she was like, if they won't do it, she won't do it. But then once we went, because we were the first group to go, once we went, like everyone else, most people ended up going backwards, even like little kids, like upside down, sorry. But anyways, after that we were tired, like literally we were tired, and we still had the horse riding to do. When we got to the beach, my horse Santa refused to go down. Yeah, he was really stuck there. So I have literally a video of just like looking out to the water, and not because it was planned, it was because Santa refused to go. So even a stranger had to come and like drag the horse to like get me back to the group. But pretty much we did that, and then at that point we were really tired. I went and like sat by the pool for a little while. And pretty much that was the day yesterday, and today's a new day. Today's Cordea's birthday as well. So she's officially 25, and yeah, let's get into the day.
Okay, now guys, time to start. Hello.
This hers. Oh, okay, okay, there we go.
I'm like the Costa Rican princess.
Feliz Snap. That's Merry Christmas, right? Sorry. Bunnies. What is Christmas? What is Happy Birthday? Cumpleaños. Feliz. Cumpleaños. Cumpleaños de Cuadera. Elizabeth Mary Grace. Cumpleaños. Morning, lovelies. So it's a new day and it's 9 a.m. on the 17th of December. So it's checkout day. So yesterday we did the jet skis, which was super fun. And I probably think that that's the best one I've done. This one was great. I tried to take some videos and I and Cordera showed one. And then Raven drove on hers by herself. And then tried to get some videos here and there as best as we could. But like I said, this was the best one. The water was like, it was good. It was really good. Even at some point I was standing when Cordera was driving. So like I said, it was fun. And then we went to the pool and I did the aerobics class, which was nice because I feel like you should always do the activities in the pool and stuff. Like the days before I did the bingo, and then this time I did the aerobics class, which is nice. And the guy was like so fun. And then we just got some drinks and we came back, and then we definitely missed dinner. Yeah, so we missed dinner yesterday. And then at some point we went down to the lobby, and pretty much that was it. Yesterday was, yeah, it was a lot, but pretty much that was our day, and today is checkout. So yeah, it's 9. The shuttle comes at 10:45. So gonna go and shower, pack my bag. I packed my bag yesterday, so gonna go and shower. When I say I didn't wear not even half of the outfits that I packed, which is crazy because I was gonna pack more, so thank God I didn't. I had 10 handbags and I wore 4. Out of the jewelry, yeah, let's not even get into that part. But anyways, at least I have them for next time. But the shuttle comes at 10:45, so we're gonna shower, get some food, some breakfast, and then head to the hotel. Well, head to the airport. Flight's at 2:45 maybe. And pretty much we get back to Houston, I think just before 6. And then yeah, I do want to relax though. I feel like this trip has been so up and down that I do just want to relax. And yeah, it's been great, it's been fun, and thanks for definitely watching. This for me is country 29, and I really wish I could do one more and just make it 30, but yeah, country 29 for me. And I'm actually super excited for next year and like my trips as well. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Any questions, let me know in the description box. Press that bell so you don't miss any videos. And thanks for watching my trip to Costa Rica.
Will you be my leading lady? I wanna country and get a little bit, baby.